Hello and thanks for joining me. Today going to do a morning melt class. I'm just even saying that. Ooh. I think that, there's always this tendency to like, get up, get going, let's do it. And that's kind of how I always am. I'm always like moving forward in my life. I'm quite buzzy. And I've really been wanting to untangle, to detangle from this constant forward motion. I love that I have energy and that I'm excited about things, but sometimes I'm moving forward in my life when I'm not wanting to be, when I'm wanting to rest and I'm not able to, because whatever we do, like what we do every day is like the pattern of our life. So the patterns that we place, that we put in, they perpetuate themselves. And I want to be choosing when I am pushing forward and when I can pull back. So the invitation today is like, we're going to get up and we're going to move slow and to set that pattern for the day. So I hope you enjoy this morning melt class. It'll be like a little yinny, a little flowy, and just short and sweet. Just imagining that we were like setting the stage for the day and we were inputting the energy of the day. That we don't have to get up and go, go, go and be as productive as we can, but we could get up and go slow. There's, a Spanish proverb that says, how beautiful it is to rest and then do nothing afterwards. Something like that. So that's the invitation. So melty, melty for slow days. Let's start on our backs, huh? Just so that we wake up and then we lay back down. I like it. Pull the knees into the chest. And just steady your breath. Notice how you feel. And let yourself feel what you feel. Whatever's there, let it be there. And just checking in with you around what are your tendencies? What are your proclivities? Are you a doer? Are you a beer? And can you flip between the two? What does rest look like in your world? And do you allow it for yourself? Do you honor it? Happy baby. This can be as lazy as you'd like. Maybe it's moving, maybe it's stillness. Just feeling into the body. There's nowhere to go. There's no certain shape you need to get into. There's nothing productive. We're just moving, breathing, sensing. And release. Feet on the ground. Press down. Lift the hips up and then shift them over to the right. And we're going to take a gentle, easy twist to the left. Maybe both shoulders stay down on the ground. Gaze over towards the right. With every exhale, as if you could sink in more. Let yourself be even heavier, held even more. And coming to the other side. Let the hips go over towards the left. Oof. And the knees to the right. Maybe imagining ice melting into water. Water melting or vaporizing, I suppose. Just that slow shift. And coming back to center. And just rock up and down the mat. However you'd like, couple times. No certain shapes, just exploring. And And in a moment, you'll rock yourself all the way into Baddha Konasana, like a butterfly pose. Feet together, knees wide, maybe a bolster, cushion, or a block in front, and then pour forward. Let the arms come out, palms reaching up. Gesture of allowance, of surrender. Letting the to-do list go. Kind of pulling the tentacles back from this self-imposed, this sense of urgency, these outward systems of urgency. We are not here to only be productive. Slowly coming up, extending the right leg long. We're going to take a forward fold, but we're going to fold over towards the right. So press down through the sit bones, kind of gather that earth energy and reach up, 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 grow. Pull the right toes back and then twist towards the right and fold forward diagonal. And take a few rounds of breath to sway the spine. So getting really long from like the left lower back through the left fingers. And then find a place to stay. Letting yourself melt into you, into the moment. Just nowhere to go. This is what it is right now. This is your life, your body, your breath. Right here. Inhale, wave of the spine and release back down. And then waving up. So it's kind of like an upward drip. It's like you're coming up, but slow, so slowly. And let's twist to the left. And either take just a seated twist right here, or you could press down through the left hand and lift the hips up, stargazer. But let it be really soft. A little bit of wave. And release back down. Let's switch sides. Press to the sit bones. From that place, reach, grow. And then twist over towards the left, just slightly shine the heart space to the left, and then pour forward. A few undulations, some serpentine sways. And then find a place you can stay for a few rounds of breath. And what happens in your mind when the body gets still? You know, what emotions arise when the busyness stops? You know, what is there? What is left? What remains when the noise dials down? And slowly, slowly upward drip. And twist towards the right, either taking a twist or pressing down, reaching up. And then back down. Soles of the feet on the ground. Hands at the knees. Really round, round, round. Exaggerate. Forehead towards the knees. We're going to come all the way back down to the back. Oh, slowly, slowly lay down. And then bring a bolster or a block. If you don't have one, that's fine. But lift the hips if you do, and lift the legs up. Legs up the wall. If you have a wall handy, then you can actually put your legs up the wall. You can just lift them up. We're just reversing the flow. A little bit of a small, gentle inversion here, but so much what I need in my life sometimes is to reverse the flow. I am so forward, pushing forward in my life. Next, 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 busy. And so much of it is self-created. Which is fine. It's good things. It's exciting things in my world. But then often, how much am I missing because I'm planning or I'm doing something in front of me, something that's coming, but not being just right where I am. Missing this moment due to planning the next. Stay in my body, stay in my life. That's something I've been saying to myself. Stay in your body, stay in your life. When I realize that I'm off. I'm on my way somewhere else. Stay in your body, stay in your life. Look around, be here. And slowly bend the knees, hug at the chest. Stay in your body, stay in your life. Be here. Stay in your body, stay in your life. Be right here. I'm going to leave you here. I hope that this practice was of benefit, whether you're doing it in the morning or you're doing it any time of day. What a beautiful reminder that we can move slow, and that too is so, so worthy. We'll see you next time on your mat. If you're enjoying these classes, then I want to invite you to my membership service, CCY Studio. This is where we get to explore with longer classes, full-length classes, and we get to investigate not only more into the physical body and longer shavasanas, but also yogic and Buddhist philosophy, and more time to marinate and percolate with all of it. Also just putting up a new asana library, and this has about 10 of the core poses and really intricate ways and investigations to put it not only in your body, but also some teaching tips. So if you're a teacher, this is really valuable as well. So if you're interested, you get a 14-day free trial. You can cancel at any time, and I just encourage you to check it out. I think that it's a beautiful place to go a little bit deeper. So I hope to see you over there. You can find more details in the links below.